It's 11:24. We're in Roatan. There's one thing I wanted to do on this cruise, and that's hug a sloth. I did not book an excursion. I should have plenty of hours to get this done. Afterwards, we'll explore some food here in Roatan and some shopping as well. Okay, I think we're getting warmer, but there's no one here. That was a little hub for people who have already booked cruises through Carnival. We have to venture out and find maybe some locals, I don't know. I might just hop in a cab and tell them I want to hug a sloth and figure this out. Rent a car? Nah, I don't know about that. Visitor center, this could be promising. I don't have any excursions booked, but I want to do a hug a sloth.
Okay, you have to go down this way. The guys in the bush are, they're a taxi driver. You tell them you want to go to Daniel Monkeys and Sloth Park. And then when you
what's it called?
Daniel Monkeys and Sloth Park.
Daniel Monkey Sloth.
And then when you get there, you pay entrance fee.
Carnival Pride. Pride, yeah. So $20 there and 20 back.
We're here, guys. This is Monte Placentero. This is the people, the language is Spanish.
Okay.
No English.
You wait for me or I'll come back here?
Yes.
Okay. Do I pay later?
Yes.
Okay, we made it. $12 cover. It was $20 each way instead of $10 each way because I was only traveling for one. The ride was only about 20 minutes.
Sleep around 20 hours every day and only move once a week.
The only thing you can't do before you hold the slot is you can't pet it. Just support underneath the slot to get your holding a baby.
No tienes está feliz para.
Ah, it's so gentle. This is my little buddy. Thank you, Paul, for recording this.
No problem.
So cool, right?
We've seen them in Costa Rica trying to climb and they just don't, they don't move. It takes them forever.
I think I'm good.
The only thing you can take in the cage of your phone and cameras. Make sure you have everything out of your pockets.
Monkeys will rob you.
These are spider monkeys, son mona arañas. The reason why they call them spider monkey is because these are the only monkey that has 4 fingers and no thumbs. Now their thumb is their tail. The only person who can enter here will be the owner. You just open it and go in on their own. It's either him or her who may climb down on your shoulders. If they climb on your shoulders, you can't get them off.
They try to bite you?
Force them off, it leads them to want to bite you.
Okay, great. Doesn't hurt at all. You feel his claws, but oh, don't take my glasses. Was it born here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All 4 of these were born here.
Definitely leaving a review.
Thank you, buddy.
Yeah, thank
Appreciate
you.
it,
Everything
man.
was great. I'm gonna leave you guys. What's your name?
Owen.
Owen. I'm gonna write you a review on TripAdvisor. Thank you, man.
Are you ready to come back to the ship?
Yeah, back to the ship, please. Total cost of everything, $52 before tip. $10 a person to get in the cab, but since I was by myself, I paid $20 each way. Then it was a $12 cover to get in the sanctuary. The tour guide was fantastic, so I gave him $5. I gave my cab driver $10. 50, 12, 67, is that right? 67 bucks, and I'm pretty sure Carnival's was at least 60, probably 70. And who knows how much of that money goes to Carnival and not the local economies. It is 2:07, and I got in the cab to go there at about 12:30, so hour and a half round trip. That's easy.
I like those laces, man. The whole fit too. I just noticed.
Yo,
That's
love,
sick,
bro.
man.
Thanks, man.
I'm gonna
Share
be
the
a
love,
subscriber,
man. Share
bro.
the love, man.
No problem.
Yo, shout out to Mason. If you're watching this, man, much love. Probably have to try that. What do you have here?
Dark chocolate and milk chocolate this place.
Dark and milk?
Yes. We made it here in the island. We have a different flavors.
You made it here?
Yes. We have a regular dark, island coconut, coffee, passion fruit, sea salt, chili, and nuts. And this is 80% coconut. And milk chocolate, we have a regular milk, milk with island almond, cashew, island coconut, and white chocolate.
You have a favorite?
Yes, almond, cashew, and Honduran coffee. You can try all of them if you want.
I still need a hat. Oh, we might have a winner. I already have a purple. This yellow might be a good one. I like this one too. $14? Damn. It's like a 5-minute walk. And I love walking. I just wanted to get a time lapse on the flying beach chairs there. I don't think a time lapse should cost me 14 bucks. What up, y'all?
Hey, what's up? Happy 420.
Happy 420. You see the drip? This morning was the first time I met my stateroom attendant, Bubbles. I get back from Roatan and I'm walking to my room and she's about, I don't know, 20, 30 yards in front of me. I just say, "Hey, Bubbles." And she proceeds to say, You left your safe open. My heart skipped a beat because I have things in my safe for a reason, and it wasn't my passport. She had to call her superiors, and they come in here and make sure everything's good. I asked Bubbles, hey, I had something else in there. Is that fine? And she said, yeah, you're all good. Now, it is not anything that I would want anyone to find. You can use your imagination as to what you may have thought that she found. They found something in my safe, and she was like, nah, you're good. You want to be in the vlog?
Of course.
This is
Hi,
Tanya. We love Tanya. I'm going to leave her a fantastic review.
Thank you, Jason.
And I can't wait to be back.
Thank you.
Thank you.